like a screen here, but we cannot use the screen. A couple of months ago, we decided to take a trip to immerse ourselves in nature, in a very different nature. We found that flying to Iceland from Toronto only takes about 5 hours, and we could explore the entire country in a 2-week road trip. So here we are in Iceland. Yeah, we're here!
We're here!
In Iceland!
Nice.
So how did we plan our trip? We started our journey in Reykjavik, heading south to the Golden Circle. From there, we traveled to the eastern part of Iceland, continued to the north area. Finally, we went to the westernmost part of Iceland. After this incredible journey, we made our way back to Reykjavik to enjoy last few days there. Where are we going?
Bruarfoss.
Bruarfoss. We're going to Bruarfoss.
SUV.
Oh my god. Our first stop is Bruarfoss, a small but stunning waterfall. It is often referred to as the Bridge Falls because its unique bridge-like rock formations. Bruarfoss captivates visitors with its vivid blue waters. It's a relatively small waterfall, so you might not spend a lot of time here. If you want to see the most reliable attraction, you may want to go Skógafoss Geyser. Skógafoss Geyser is known for its consistent and frequent eruptions, occurring every 5 to 10 minutes. This reliability makes it a prime attraction for visitors, who can be assured of witnessing its spectacular displays.
That was a big one. A double.
Twice.
This guy is ready.
But the most rewarding first attractions we visited in Iceland was Gullfoss. Gullfoss, meaning Golden Falls, is one of the Iceland's most iconic and breathtaking waterfalls. The river cascades down in 2 stages, creating a powerful and mesmerizing sight. Hi, I'm in Seljalandsfoss now, so this is actually like 45 minutes drive from Reykjavik to here, and we stayed at the hotels here, the Hotel Seljalandsfoss, for a night already, and we're actually leaving soon. We found this view is really pretty, like really amazing here. It's actually the view from our room, so, and then we try like take a walk before we go somewhere else. I hope if you guys come into Iceland, you should definitely like stay a night in Seljalandsfoss. It's actually pretty cool and quieter, and also it's like so pretty here. See? Oh yeah, there.
Yeah,
Right?
there's 3.
Look at this, so cool. What's that called again? What's the name?
The waterfall?
Yeah, what's the waterfall?
Ooh, the name is Seljalandsfoss.
Seljalandsfoss.
We're going into the waterfall now.
Going into the water.
Here. Let's go.
Wait.
Look at here. It's crazy. Going there.
I'm gonna try to go around.
Crazy.
That's
even,
so cool.
Even like this, it's so cool, right? See?
It's so cool, yeah. Yeah, that's so good. Let's
oh
get,
my God,
let's get
it's
going
getting
before,
intense. Isn't it so?
It's so intense, yeah.
What do you think? Here.
I think it's so cool.
Oh my god, do you want to go down there? I'm going down. Oh my god, it's so freaking crazy. I'm going. Oh my god. Kidding. Woo. Oh my god. I feel like I'm finally here, like in Iceland.
Yeah,
It's
me
what
too.
I imagined about Iceland.
Me too, yeah.
Right here,
In the middle of nowhere.
in the middle of nowhere, in the farm,
Mountains.
and it was near the mountain. And then we found a bakery here, and we just like stop here. We're going to the Skógafoss. 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 We'll get wet here, I guess.
I think we probably will if we get close, yeah. I already feel the rain. I already feel the mist from there.
I can feel it. Oh, I can
Not
get it
even,
now. You have to wear the rain jacket here because like it can be so crazy. We're just right under the biggest waterfall in here, I guess. Ooh, rocks. This is insane. I'm getting wet now. You see the water? I'm not so sure you can see, but yeah, I'm getting wet here. Oh my god, this is huge.